Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. While reading the comments on my previous videos, I just found a suggestion that really caught my attention. Someone suggested that I need to create a complete game development series and show the entire journey from idea to final game. I loved that idea. So that's exactly what we are doing in this series. Welcome to the episode 1 of brand new game development series, where I will be taking a game idea and turning it into a complete playable game in Unity. The game idea I have chosen is a first person stealth game. In this game, the player enters an indoor location that contains a locked treasure. The main objective of the game is to steal the treasure, but unlocking it won't be easy. To unlock the treasure, the player must collect all the keys hidden throughout the building. Some keys will be placed around the environment, while others will be carried by guards. This means the player will need to carefully explore the area, avoid danger, and collect every key before reaching the treasure. Since this is a stealth game, getting spotted by a guard means instant game over. Every moment matters and the player must think carefully before making a move. This game will also include a dangerous section where the player can fall. If that happens, the mission fails and the game is over. To make the game more interesting, I am planning to add 3 difficulty modes: easy mode, medium mode, hard mode. This video is all about the game and defining the core gameplay loop. Over the next episodes, we will build the prototype, create the first person controller and the key controlling mechanics, develop the guard AI, design the level, polish the game, and finally create a trailer for the completed project. My goal is to show the entire journey from a simple idea to a finished game. If you have any kind of suggestions, improvements, or features that you would like to see in the game, let me know in the comments below. Your ideas might become part of the project. This is only the beginning, and we still have a lot to build before this game becomes a reality. And if you want to follow this series, just stay tuned to our channel.